Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper butterfly ranunculus. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You can also find the supplies listed below along with the template to cut with your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. There's also a print version to hand cut for those that don't have a cutting machine. I cut my center on the white cardstock paper, but you could cut the one center on brown paper and one in yellow, or if you have all of them cut on white cardstock paper like I did here, you could add brown marker and yellow marker on the other one. You'll need one brown and one yellow center. Then this is optional, but I wanted to update my old tutorial for this and added a gradient pink on the petals in the center with pan pastel. Add this on all the center of the flower pieces. Then go back to the center and roll the brown piece and glue at the end to make sure it doesn't unravel. Then add the yellow one over the brown one. Put that to the side and get the flower petals again and shape them by adding random ruffles along each petal. I don't make them look creased. I want it to look more wavy and ruffly. I also curl some tips back. It's randomly shaped and should look very flowing. Do this to all the petals. When you have the first two shaped, I did glue them on top of each other. These flowers also have a very random placement of petals. It is not symmetrical. I made sure the petals are placed in between the gaps when I can. Shape the next two flowers the same way and then poke a hole on one of the flower that has the 5 petals. And then grab a thicker floral wire and curl the tip and bring the loop down so it is perpendicular to the stem. And that is what anchors onto the flower. Add hot glue on the loop and attach to the flower, and then grab the other flower with the other 5 petals and crisscross so the petals go in between and glue those. Then add the first 2 that has been glued already and add that to the top. Then add the center fringes in the middle. I also like to grab all the petals together and force up. This also comes with a bottom leaf. Poke a hole and add that to the bottom of the flower. This was an older tutorial that I had that I used the same template for but resized so it is a little smaller. You can grab the group of patterns and resize them together so the largest size petals are about 2.5 inches. You could make some bigger and some smaller. I added an assortment in my paper flower bouquet that paired so well with other paper flowers that you can try making. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.